Hey everybody, welcome to Basic Tutorials, and we are still on our passport application process. And in this part of the series, I wanted to show you how to use the dashboard. So what you can see around here, is the dashboard. Is your dashboard. So we've done about 2-3 lessons so far, and to get the full understanding of the whole process, you need to watch all the videos. So make sure you watch the other videos, the previous videos, so that you understand the whole process. So after signing up with your details and buying your form, and all those things, now this is how to go about the dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This is where you're doing all the stuff. So what you do is you log in with your email or your phone number. All right, and when you log in, to take you to your dashboard. All right, so you can see my name here. All right, this is my name. You can see it right here, and you can see these 3 lines here. Okay, so you can see how to apply, start new application, view all applications. So now let's look at this one. There's 3 dots here. Click on it. When you click on it, you see guidelines, see application, support line, the content, and other things. Okay, and you see that my application. When I click on my application, so if you have bought your application form online, when you click on my application, this is what you see. Okay, let's scroll down. See uncompleted applications history. All right, so history, this is my first application. Okay, so your applications will show here. If you have done 2, 3, or 4, maybe renewals and other things, you see all those things here. Right, so this is mine. So if I go to history, this history. All right, you see this is my name and expedited application, 32 pages, and I know all those numbers here, and the date I actually applied for it. All right, so this is how the dashboard actually looks like. This is how it looks like. So this is where you'll be doing all your stuff. You'll be doing the fill-ins. It is not actually something you have to do within some time, depending on how you want to go about it. You can use 1 day to do it, you can use 2 days, you can use 1 week, you can use 2 weeks. The most important thing is getting it done, and book an appointment and going to the passport office. All right, so this is how it looks like. So if you're a new applicant and I started, your application form will be here. All right, it will be here. Now when you come to this area, you see that 100%, you see 100% here. All right, so when you start filling, it will be rating you till you finish. When you finish with 100%, that means you have done everything and you're waiting to receive your passport. All right, so that is it. So this is how the dashboard looks like and how to navigate through. Okay, so you go to online passport application, you search on your browser, and when you search for online passport application, just go to login existing user. When you go to existing user, type in your email or your phone number and you use a password to log in. After log in, you see your name here. When it comes to this 3 dots here, you see my application and other things. You click on application and scroll down, you're going to see your application down here. Just click on any area here. Okay, just click any area here to take you to your form, and depending on where you are, if you are starting afresh, you have to upload your passport picture. You have to start with your particulars. We'll be doing those things in the next videos. Okay, so this is what I want to teach in this lesson. Please, if you are subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe so that when a new video is a series, so just subscribe so that when we upload a new one, you'll be notified to watch, and make sure you hit on the notification bell. Also share, comment. If there's something you understand, you can ask in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again. Bye bye.